How to stop auto download in WhatsApp on iPhone. So this works the same on all devices, whether you're on your iPad, your iPhone, or even similarly on Android. What the first step you'll need to do is obviously go on to the WhatsApp app. Then you want to get to this settings menu, and how you get there is by clicking the bottom right hand corner where it says settings. Once you're here, you want to click on chats. It should be near the bottom middle part of the screen. Once you've clicked on chats, there should be a section at the top of the page where it says save to photos. That will be kind of turned on. It will be green. You want to click on that, turn that off. So it should be looking a bit like this, like the black button. Then you want to go back out of that, and then once you go back out of it, you can check that it's off fully again by going back in. That save to photos, make sure it's turned off. That's what's saving the things to your iOS device or any other device. So once you've done that, it's all done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.